Guys, keep them running. Nitro Buggy, Amain, 25 minutes. Keep them clean, guys. Let's have a nice fun race, guys. "25 minutes, don't ruin it on the start. Your driver's ready. Here we go. Clean them out, clean them out, clean them out, clean them out. Down and quiet. Go. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, guys. 25-minute main, guys. So it is Jason Schreffler out front, off the number 1, Dwayne off the 2 in second, Michael Bernard from the 5 up to 3rd, Matt Bosa in 4th, Anthony Mazzari 5th, Paul Rutledge, Chris Klein, Chad Phillips, Jay Bless, Chris Spagakian, Adam Gregory,
24 minutes left,
John Blaze. Two leaders already starting to stretch it out. And race for that 3rd spot. Leader on the front straight. Here comes 2nd place on the front straight. A real good race for that 3rd. We got 7 cars racing for that 3rd spot as they head on to the front straight. 2 down, 23 to go.
23 minutes left.
A real good race between Michael Finari, Paul Rutledge, Chad Phillips for that 3rd spot. Chad getting by Paul. Taking over that 4th spot. A little bit of a gap now. Back to a good race between Anthony, Chris, and Matt for that number 6 spot. Three down, 22 to go. 3 down, 22 to go.
22 minutes left.
You can check out for the race starting to tear through this field. He heads on the front straight. He's already put a lap on 3 guys. $3:30 down, 21:30 left to go. Chad Colson up to the 3 spot. Oh, Chad rolling it. That's going to put Michael Finari back in that 3rd spot. I'm going to fix that pipe. Let's pull that back off the track, please.
21 minutes left.
There's Jason Schreffler out front, Joey Karlowski in the 2, Michael Finari in the 3, Chad Phillips in the 4, Chris Klein in the 5, Chris Spagakian in the 6, Anthony Mazzara in the 7, Paul Rutledge in the 8, Matt Bosa in the 9, Adam Gregory in the 10, John Blaze in the 11, Jay Bless in the 12. 4:30 down, 20:30 left to go.
Minutes left.
5 down, 20 to go. 5 down, 20 to go. $5:30 down, 19:30 left to go. 5:30 down, 19:30 left to go. Down, 19 to go. 6 down, 19 to go.
Left.
Needs to tripper out front, down the front straight, coming around the horseshoe. Wayne Karlovsky in the 2 as he heads towards the front straight, coming into the horseshoe. Michael Fenari in that 3rd spot on the front straight. Chad Phillips in the 4, Chris Klein in the 5. Chris Gakian in the 6. Paul Rutledge in the 7, Matt Navoso in the 8, Adam Gregory in the 9, John Blaze, Jay Bless. Coming up on 7 down, 18 to go. Coming up on 7 down, 18 to go.
18 minutes left.
$7:30 down, 17:30 left to go. 7:30 down, 17:30 left to go.
$17 minutes left.
8 down, 17 to go. 8 down, 17 to go. Jason Trepper out front, Wayne Karlovsky in the 2, Chad Phillips in the 3. Michael Fenari only 1 second behind Chad. 1.5 back to Chris. 4.5 back to Paul. 1.5 back to Chris Klein. Matt Navoso, Adam Gregory, John Blaze. 8:30 down, 16:30 left to go. 8:30 down, 16:30 left to go.
Left.
9 down, 16 to go. 9 down, 16 to go. Straight to the track for that 3rd spot. Chad Phillips with Michael Fenari right behind him. 9:30 down, 15:30 left to go.
Fifteen minutes left.
That was 10 down, 15 to go. Like Michael Bernard getting around. Chad Phillips now taking over that third spot. Chad takes it right back. Paul Rutledge in the 5, Chris Klein in the 6, Chris Buggy in the 7. Matt Rosso, Adam, John, Jay, Bless. Coming up on 11 down, 14 to go. And Jason Trepler out front. 10.5 seconds on Dwayne Karlofsky in the 2.
14 minutes left.
Chad Phillips in the 3. Dwayne almost has a lap on Chad in that. Race for second. Michael Pinari in the 4. Paul Rutledge then will move to the 4. 6 seconds behind Chad. Chris Klein 3 seconds behind Paul. Tough lap for Michael Pinari, dropping in 1.3 seconds behind Chris Klein. 11:30 down, 13:30 left to go. Coming up on 12 down, 13 to go.
13 minutes left.
Well, 30 down, 12:30 left to go. Halfway. Trapper out front, Dwayne Karlofsky in the 2, Chad Phillips 22 seconds
left.
back in the 3, Paul Rutledge in the 4, Chris Klein 10 seconds back in the 5, 2 seconds to Michael Pinari in the 6, 8 seconds to Chris Buggy in the 7, Adam Gregory in the 8, 2 seconds to John Blaze in the 9, 9 back to Matt Negotiator in the 10, Jake Bless in the 11. Getting pretty sorted out, closest race. Chris Klein and Michael Pinari separated by 2 seconds. 13:30 down, 11:30 left to go.
$11 minutes left.
14 down, 11 to go. 14 down, 11 to go. Closest race on the track, Chris Klein to Michael Pinari. Half a second now. 3.5 back to Chris Buggy in the 7. Everybody else been pretty spread out. 14:30 down, 10:30 left to go. I'm going to do some pit stops here, then I'll shake it up a little bit. I'm up on 15 down, 10 to go. 15 down, 10 to go.
Ten minutes left.
Jason Trepper up front, Dwayne Karlasky in the 2, Chad Fultz in the 3, Paul Rutledge in the 4, Michael Fedari in the 5, Chris Buggy in the 6, Chris Klein in the 7, Adam Gregory in the 8, John Blaze in the 9, Matt Naboso in the 10, Jay Bless in the 11, Anthony Nazar coming back out. 2 laps down.
Nine minutes left.
16 down, 9 to go. 16 down, 9 to go. A real tight race for that 4 spot. Chris Buggy and Paul Rutledge and Michael Fedari right together. And Jason, Dwayne, and Chad up front, top 3. 16:30 down, 8:30 left to go. Coming up on 17 down, 8 to go. Coming up on 17 down, 8 to go.
8 minutes left.
Probably going to get by Chris Buggy in for that number 4 spot. He says I might as well pit. Coming up on 17:30 down, 7:30 left to go. Come up on 17:30 down, 7:30 left to go. Jason Soldier and Dwayne here trying to put a lap on the field. Oh, Dwayne rolls it over. Jason going to go by, put a lap on the field. See, where's Chad?
7 minutes left.
Dwayne will go get the lap on Chad, so Dwayne's safe in that number 2 spot. There we go, one upside down on the far end. So 18:30 down, 6:30 left to go. 18:30 down, 6:30 left to go. Closest race to the track now between the 2 Chris's. Chris Klein in the 5 spot, 2.5 back to Chris Buggy in the 6 spot. Everybody else separated by 6 seconds or more. 17 down, 19 down, 6 to go. 19 down, 6 to go. That's the wrong way on that one. Got up on 10 down, 5 to go. Caught up on 10 down, 5 to go.
5 minutes left.
Tough line for Paul, losing a couple spots now. Chris McGackey up to the 4, Chris Klein up to the 5. And still Jason Schreffler out front. Going on with the lane here. I thought he missed a lap, but he's been in and out of pit road the way it looks. So it is Chad Phillips now in the second spot. I did miss one a couple laps ago, I got that one.
4 minutes left.
21 down, 4 to go, 21 down, 4 to go. Maybe a long time ago, not on my screen. $21.30 down, $3.30 left to go. $22 down, 3 to go. 22 down, 3 to go.
Left.
23 down, 2 to go. 23 down, 2 to go. Twain out in front of Chad for that second spot. Jason Schreffler out front, leading from the start. Chris Pagacki in the 4, Chris Klein in the 5, Paul Runners in the 6, Michael Fedar in the 7, Adam Gregory, Matt Navoso, John Blaze, Dave Bless. 23:30 down, 1:30 left to go. Don't break my speaker. 1 minute left to go, drivers. 1 minute.
1 minute left.
$35 seconds left to go. Everybody sorting out, nobody out. Really close for position. This is race with Chris Pagacki and the Paul Rutledge, and that's 8 seconds. 15 seconds. Time driver
Car 10
finishing
is
lap.
done.
John Blaze going to
Car
take down the
3 is
9.
done.
Chad Phillips finishing 3rd.
Car 5 is done.
Michael Ferrari finishing in 6th.
Car 12 is done.
Chris Buggy
Car 7 is
finishing
done.
4th. Chris
Car
Clark
2
finishing
is done.
7th. Wayne Karnofsky 2nd.
Car
Paul
11 is
Rutledge
done.
5th.
Car 9 is done.
Jay Bless
Car 1 is
11th.
done.
Jason Treffler taking the win.